I've got myself into so much trouble so many times. And you have too. It is the usage of words. 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 Words have meaning. Words have histories. Words have consequences. The words that we use can define or deteriorate what's happening in our life. A poor choice of words will be remembered more than the right uses of words. Words are not just a vocabulary thing. Words are meaningful in each one's lives. I've gotten into trouble at home. I got trouble at my job. I've got into trouble because I was not intentional about the words that I used. Now, most of the people that I'm speaking to right now are communicators. You make your living talking. You're a wordsmith. Words just flow out of us. Most of you use your words in public settings, in meetings, on platforms. Words. And now, with media and on the posting that happens on media, different platforms, it's about words. And words once out, doesn't matter how much you want to reel them in, there's no rewind on your words. I can tell you this, I'm still learning to be intentional about the words, because the Bible tells us life and death, blessing and cursing are all found in words. Our world was created by words. Your words have consequences. Think about it.